How are
Okay.
you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
Yeah, I am great. And how's your practice going on?
I'm every day I practice watching conversation videos and reading practice.
Okay, so talking practice do you do? Like,
Yes, I started already. I started many. I every day use the Habro app and CV. So I through Habro and CV. I every day speak with different people.
okay, so do you took subscription?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I took 1 month subscription because
In-
25 minutes not enough.
Okay, okay. It's not expensive.
Your side, I think, too much cold.
Yeah, here is too much cold. So okay, tell you where you face these days where you problem.
Okay, so ma'am, right now I'm a little. Initial days I'm not able to speak with anyone,
Yes,
but
yes.
after 1.5 month, I regular practice and I every day try to consist uh, speak different people. So
Mm.
I like I can speak with anyone and not too much good, but I can speak. I
Because
had
it's totally. Uh-huh.
first video call attend with you, ma'am. You remember?
Yes, that time you didn't able to take like you started speaking little sentences.
I had a lot of hesitation and fear, and I'm not able to speak single words, and I'm not able to speak single sentence. But after one and a
Yes,
half month, I can speak because I a
yes.
lot work.
It's speaking magic. If you want to learn any language, so you try to speak, and how you can you speak. So speaking is very important. Yeah.
And I'm kind of person when I decided to something do something, so it doesn't matter. I put so many efforts to achieve that things. It doesn't matter. I achieve early and after some time. So I
Yes. You like you make consistency, and consistency is very important if you want to do anything. So नियमितता जो होती है वो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, लाइक कंसिस्टेंसी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि मतलब आप एवरी डे प्रैक्टिस करो किसी भी चीज का.
yes. And every day I speak at least 1 hour, 2 hours, 2 hours. I speak
ओ माय
to
गॉड.
TV and highbrow.
ओके. सो
When
I do not use CV. So what process if anyone want use that app?
you don't know about CV,
No, I don't know about CV.
you go on Play Store and you can type CV and not process is not long there. You can
Hmm.
install and use that. We every day
Okay.
getting 30 minutes CV.
20 minutes.
Yeah, 30.
30 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
I think 30 minutes in it's a very a long time, not a very little time, 30 minutes. So we get free, and we are like with the people connect. So in India, yeah, other countries people connect there.
From we can connect from out of country also we connect,
Okay.
like Dubai, Maldives, uh, uh, Malaysia.
Hmm.
Speak
Okay.
uh, with them.
Okay. So how people they talk like nicely? Yeah, they if they know ki they are beginners, so they cut it that call.
Like they are also beginner and they also because they are working in for out of country,
Business.
so
Hmm.
out of so they also want to improve their communication skills because uh, in out of country mostly people speak in English, and
Yes.
people from our country they working in other countries like Malaysia, Dubai, so they know Hindi, so they also speaking in Hindi, but
Yes. Yes.
And but out of country English is very important. So that's why they also want to improve their communication skills.
Okay. Yeah, I not feel need to talk any app. Only whenever I free, so I talk like a Skype app. Otherwise, I have lot of friends, so I make conversation them on audio call.
No, ma'am, but if you will speak with different people, unknown people, so you will get confidence, and you are if you have hesitation, fear, it will remove automatically. And
Yes,
words have to we have to uh, we have to learn new words
new
from
words. Yes.
unknown
You know,
people.
while speaking we learn lot of new word, but yeah, you can you said very right ki if anyone have hesitation and they not able to talk front of to anyone, so it that app is very useful those people. But yeah, I am confident anyone come in front of me so I can speak. Yeah, sometime I do mistake, but it's common because gradually it's improve. But yeah, nothing. I
Yes,
just speak like everyone. If anyone want to learn any language, told you first, it's totally need to speaking practice. And you know, you did and you are feel. Like I am also feeling like when I talked the first time with you. So that time you didn't able to speak, but now you are speak good.
yes, ma'am. I'm not able to when I had a first conversation with you on video call. But
Yes,
after 1.5 months, I feel like I have confidence. I remove my hesitations and fear,
yes.
and
Well, I
nobody
am
was
very happy about you. And you, what you what you said, like my viewer, if anyone want or learn this language, so what they do? What your opinion?
I didn't get your point, ma'am.
लाइक अगर कोई भी ये लैंग्वेज को लर्न करना चाहता है तो वो क्या करें? आ, आपका ओपिनियन क्या है कि नहीं उनको ऐसा करना चाहिए? एक मंथ में आपने जैसे एक डेढ़ मंथ में आपने बहुत अच्छे से बोलना सीख लिया, अपना कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बूस्ट कर लिया, किसी के सामने आप बात कर सकते हो, तो आप कुछ सजेशन दे सकते हो उन लोगों को जो ये वीडियो देखे?
Yes, yes, ma'am. According to me, ma'am, how I learn in 1.5 months. According to me, I would say I would suggest those people want to improve. Those people want to improve their communication skills. If we want to improve our communication skills, so we have to speak more and more, and
Yes.
then only we will improve our communication skills. Whether it is not means right or wrong, we have to
Wrong.
speak. We have to speak more and more, and
Yes.
try to connect with different people, unknown people. So
Yes.
that way we can improve our communication skill, and our hesitation, fear, we can remove.
Yes, and you know we'll learn lot of vocabulary and how to use sentences, how to frame sentences, everything while speaking we learn.
Yes, ma'am, you are right. But many people told me when I speak unknown people. So that time many people told me, uh, and according to me also, how we learn our mother tongue. That time
Yes,
we even that time we don't know mother grammar about our mother tongue. So
yes,
how done by listening and observing how they speaking in my father, mother, so that we will learn our mother tongue. So according to me, English. Don't if anybody want to improve their communication skills, so I would say don't focus on grammar. It will
grammar.
it will it will gradually automatically understand comes to understand when we
Yes.
speak more and more. So that
Yeah,
time we will.
I feel this thing when I started, so I didn't learn first grammar, and I feel while talking, I learn all tenses, and still whenever I am talking with anyone, so whenever I do mistakes, so sometime I recognize my mistake, like I'm doing this mistake, because uh, conversation, like if we how much you make conversation, so you can become very good speaker. I also think this thing, like how I learned my mother tongue and my native language, like we listen to everyone and we learn. So English is language, just a language, so we listen more and more, and start speaking, so we can learn very easily. And I am learning like this.
You are right. And most important, if you have passion, so not only I will I would say English, whatever you want to learn. So
Yes,
passion is important. If you have passion, so you
yes,
can learn anything without
yes,
I would say teacher, without teacher.
yes. These days we have phone, internet, so it's a very good opportunity we got. So we have internet and phone, so we can use them and learn new things.
I have many questions, but right now I don't means right now I
You
forgot.
forget all questions.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So you can take a pause and try to remember your question.
Right now I don't have any question, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.